Okay, so to make this prediction, we have to find the linear regression. So I'm going to take my calculator and start by entering the data into my lists. So let me clear this out. That's right. Then I'll go to Stat, over to Calculate, and calculate the linear regression. Enter through everything, and I'm left with y equals 0.9932 x minus 4.024. So now I'm just going to substitute in the value they're looking for when x is 34. So I'll do 0.9932 times 34 minus 4.024. Oops, that's not what I meant. I want to take this and do minus 4.024. I get 29.7. Okay. Now, the next one is done the same way. You're going to enter your x values and your y values, and you're just going to calculate the linear regression. You don't have to do anything with the equation. Just write out the values for your a and b in these boxes. So that'll be done the same way. And the last one is a multiple regression problem. So I have to use the Stats Blue website. If you go to stats.blue, we're going to hit the multiple linear regression calculator. I'm going to put that here, put this here. So I will put my data into these columns. We'll pause this and come back. Let me pause this. Okay, now all the data is entered, so I'm just going to hit calculate. And then we will go down here and pull out the appropriate terms. Report the intercept and slopes for the regression equation accurate to 3 decimal places. So the intercept is the number by itself in our equation. So that's going to be 237.490. The partial slope is B1, is the coefficient of the x term, or the x1 term, which is listed right here. These values are right here. So this is 2.3306. This is negative 13.969. This should be to 1 decimal place, should be 1. The sum of squares, where is that? Let's see here. The sum of squares of the regression is that guy right there. SS reg 28825.569. The sum of squares of the residual error is 2880.681. My F statistic, or F ratio, is 45.0293. P-value is listed. It's just going to be 0. The S2 res is actually going to be this guy here, MS. That's the one where a lot of people are having difficulty finding it. So this is, 320.076 to 3 decimal places. And the test statistics T1 and T2. Where did we put the? Oh, here we are. Test statistics for the regression coefficient is 4.8152. And the second one is should be 4.815. I keep messing up the decimals. And this one will be 0.9. And then this one will be negative 4.98. 977, 3 decimal places. And that's it. You're pulling all these values straight from your stats blueprint out.